Yes, good morning, family. What's going on? It's your boy Skag. We'll get started this in just a few moments. Thank you guys for hopping on. We're going to just take a look at some of the markets today. Real quick recap some of the day. So, love and appreciate y'all. Feel free to send the link out to anybody. But I'll be with y'all in just a few moments. Alright. What's going on, fam? How we doing? How was everybody's trading day? Hopefully it was good. Let me bring up Trading View over here. Morning, Ninja. And Naruto Freak. Matthew, what's going on, brother? Good to see you. What's going on with y'all? Ignore my little gold trade here. This was me just messing around with the new Express account that I got from TopStep. Just testing out, making sure everything was good. Mostly because, again, I just passed my combine the other day, filled out all the forms and everything, got the Express accounts up and ready to go, and this thing came with a balance of 0, which I was not prepared for. So I had to be like, you know what? I don't know if you can trade with a $0 balance. But apparently here you can. So I had to throw in just 2 trades on gold here, 2 little micro contracts, just to see if I could even put a trade on at all. So yeah, we just kind of have that running. I'm actually long on this on my combine accounts, but we're long from like down here. So we're already break even on those. These are just like a $60, $70 risk, I think. And the take profit is just like the $200 I need to qualify as a profitable day in their eyes. This probably doesn't even work out. Been a pretty slow trading day, quite honestly. I've been trading for about 2 hours now. We were live in the community since about 8 a.m. or so, where we do the actual live trading and executions. But as always, I want to come on here, give you guys some additional value, explain some of the setups for the day, just see if anybody has questions, things they want me to look at, all that fun stuff. So just definitely here with you guys, vibing out. Pretty slow day in the markets overall. Not really much has happened. Gold, again, I am long gold just off the, again, premise that we swiped some liquidity this morning. I had originally got in because of a live OB. However, that's not relevant on the futures futures charts. It's only here on the CFD charts, so you can kind of see what the main setup that I took today was. Pretty easy, just liquidity grab. Didn't quite make it down to RPOI, which is what I was looking at gold moving down to, is this, 2305, 2306 area. Didn't quite get that from the market. It is what it is, but we still took, some positions today, so running pretty good so far. We're also exploring some ideas on oil. This is not something we executed on. I was just giving a visual for if certain things happened. But yeah, this oil trade, probably not going to work out. Again, this didn't give us any sort of actual entry mechanics to play off of. We were just kind of watching it in this fresh liquidity. But ultimately, I think oil just has more downside to go. Unless we see some demand kick in down here. But I think it's unlikely. Outside of that, again, the only other really thing that I look at is NQ, or the NASDAQ, and this, again, is not really in a spot where I really feel comfortable trading it. I mean, it's kind of just sitting up here at these highs. We did push the high, and, we've kind of faded off from there. Not really interested in shorting this. I would like to see it fall. I don't think I'm going to be taking any risk, especially this late in the day on NQ. But I would like to see this make a tumble. Again, maybe it can hold these highs, maybe it pushes higher. I don't know. I don't really care about that. But I would like to see this tumble down. I was looking for as low as like 17,870. But again, I don't know if the market is going to give me this. It's been pretty bullish ever since Powell and NFP, as it should be, because again, unemployment with a little bit of an uptick, and people worried that as that goes up, the Fed's going to look at cutting rates, because they're definitely not looking at raising them. So it's been a pretty boring and slow day for me personally. Again, all I really have are these gold trades running, which, again, with this account, I probably expect these to not work out. But if we come over to my Top Step accounts over here, again, you can see the position that we're really in from. And of course, we're just at break even and letting this kind of rock out. So that's where my day is currently at. Just a quick little recap of that. Let me know in chat what you guys are trading. If you guys have taken any positions today. Again, it's been a pretty slow day. I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of you were sidelined. Let me see. What's good? What's going on, Mark? Good to see you in chat, bro. Thank you for hopping on. Matt says, I don't see anything at all. What did I say about Tuesday being my worst day? Nah, I hear you, man. Music a little loud? Okay, 1 second. My bad. Let me turn that down. That is Game of Thrones-esque music. I gotta be ready for war at all times, right? I'm at war with the markets, so I gotta have my actually, technically, this is not even. I mean, it's House of the Dragon, but still within the Game of Thrones universe. So yeah, y'all know the vibes, man. We gotta be prepared for war. I'm probably gonna get copyright strikes, but fuck it, we here for the vibes. Not here for ad revenue. The markets will pay me. Not gonna worry about the ad revenue or anything like that. Little one, you gotta make so much noise over there? Let's see. No, I stayed out of the market today. Good idea. Again, the market's been slow, man. I don't blame you guys for taking the day off. It's a light news week. There's really no news happening in the market, so and that's all week. I mean, we do have some news. I mean, for the forex traders, there is pound news. There is, I think, Australian rates maybe tonight, but outside of that, there really isn't anything. Ryan, what's going on, man? How you doing? Let me see. I requested my first payout last night. Hope to hear back today so I can get my Rise contract with them set up. Let's go, Matt. Yeah, I'm so excited, bro. Honestly, I've been waiting for this shit for like a week and a half. Ever since I knew you were up. Like, what? I'm not gonna put your business out there, but I know it's a nice withdrawal. I know you can't take it all, but I know even half of it is a lot of money, bro. So I'm so excited for you, man. If other people in the chat want to congratulate Matt, you definitely should. He's getting a beautiful payout, so, big ups to you, man. I'm so excited that you're getting that, dude. We're finally here. I feel like we've been waiting a while now. But yeah, I love it, man. Hopefully they get back to you quick. Typically, if you do it early in the mornings, most firms will get back to you pretty quick, bro. So, super, super exciting, man. But yeah, outside of that, guys, I've been testing out this new TopStep X platform. Um, Obviously, these are 2 new TopStep accounts, 2 new Combine accounts. I did pass the other one, which is the one that's over here on TradingView. This is the actual Express account, so this is the actual quote-unquote live account. They actually do have a live account, so this is again like the demo live, I guess we could phrase it as. But yeah, they gave me the Express account today. Again, the account balance starts at 0, which is kind of weird, but nonetheless, that's there. And then these TopStep accounts I'm using with their actual platform, testing them out. I'm copy trading. So on the left side here, you could actually, or I'm sorry, on the right side here, you could see both my accounts, which I'm up $585 on both. With my open P&L right now at 227, which will probably break me even. So I'm probably gonna end the day with $500 on these. You can see my live positions, my trades. Platform is pretty good, no problems with it yet. Very easy to just, click and drag and move stuff around. I could just move my TPs around. I don't gotta confirm anything, just letting it go locks it in, which is super cool. So yeah, no issues with this quite yet. Again, it is a new platform, so some hiccups are to be expected, but the trade copier, again, is working perfect. This is my leader account. I could switch to my follower account. You could see, again, the same positions, same levels. Can't move anything on the follower account. Got to do it on the leader. But yeah, so far, so good with these. Again, I started these last night. Currently up about $500 out of the $3 grand I have to make on them. And my TPs are strategically in an area where I won't go over the max that I can make for the day. So for those of you that are, again, looking to get a TopStep account, these are super cheap. I paid $19 for these 50K accounts. Like, you honestly can't beat that. $19 a month, $149 to activate. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, that's like you're pretty much being given free money. So, kind of neat. Thanks, brother. Thanks to you. Shout out your course, no cap. Hey, I appreciate that, bro. At the end of the day, the course content's there. It's useful. It's good. But as always, you guys know this. I always give credit back to you guys. I put out tons of content out there. Some of it useful, some of it maybe not. I don't know. That's going to be up to you and the way that you trade and the way that you use it and how effective it is for you. But at the end of the day, bro, you put in the work. I'm just here to lend a helping hand and share some information and some content that works for me. Do you have to pass some tests to get funded? Yeah, so if you're unfamiliar with funded accounts, let me bring up like TopStep's website. So a funded account is essentially, it's like a challenge, a test, whatever you want to call it. So basically you go on and you buy an account, and again, if you're using their platform, which is what I'm using, over here, and you can get accounts for as cheap as $19 a month for a 50K account. Now it's normally $165 a month, so this is just ridiculously discounted. And to be honest, I've never seen it for $165. They're always running promos. It's usually $49. If you're going to use any other platform, it'll be $49. It's only $19 specifically for their TopStep X platform. But you can come on and you can buy access to capital, so 50K, 100K, 150K. And then all you really have to do is just hit the profit target, right? So you have to get to a profit target of $3,000. Once you accomplish that, they will give you a new account that you can actually withdraw from. They do have some rules, like they only allow you to put up to 5 contracts. Although, funny enough, I have 6 open right now. So I don't know what that's about. I was trying to show everybody in the community that you could only open up 5 and that it would deny you if you try to do 6. And then it let me take a 6th one. So I don't know what that's about. I don't know if it's because they're micros. Last night it denied me on trading 6 micros. This morning I can trade 6 micros. I wish I had an answer for why that is. But typically you can trade 5 contracts. And the whole goal is to just not lose $2,000, right? If you lose $2,000, you have failed the challenge. You also lose the money that you put into it. And if you pass it, then you can trade live, like I am on this other account over here. All right, you'll get that live account. And then when you're trading on the live accounts, you have to just do a few things to be able to withdraw your money, which is the question everybody has, right? So you have Simple payout policy. All you got to do is have 5 winning days of $200 to earn your payout. So 5 separate days. They don't have to be consecutive. They don't have to be the same week. They just have to be 5 days plus $200, and then you can withdraw. You can withdraw 50% of what you've made. After you have 30 winning days, then you could take out up to 100%. You wouldn't want to take the full 100% because then you close your account and you'd have to start over again, but it does allow you to do up to it. But yeah, man, that's a funded account. You know, you just pass a challenge. You just basically gotta hit the profit target. If I actually come in here and show you this, if this loads up, right? So you can see this was my challenge, right? So again, I hit that $3,000 mark, right? Reach and maintain the $3,000 profit target. Best day cannot be greater than 50% of your total profits, which just means that if you come in the first day and you try to make $3,000 in one day, they will not let you pass for that. So your best day cannot account for more than 50% of your total profits. So my best day was $1,300. Obviously, I cut it off at the $1,300 to stay below this rule, so I passed with that. My worst day was $684, meaning my worst day was a positive gain of $684, just to be clear. That's not negative. Average winning day was about $1,000. And then you can see my P&L here, right? So like day 1, I made that $1,300. Day 2, I made $684, and then day 3, I made that last 1,000 to get over the profit target. And then you can also see as this moves up, your minimum balance also kind of creeps up. So you know, as you're making money, it doesn't mean that you get like this giant buffer on your daily loss. At any given day, you can only lose $1,000. But yeah, man, that's it. You know, you just gotta pass that one simple rule. You really just gotta hit the profit target, and just do not let your account balance hit or go below. For me, it says 50,000, but for you, it would say 48 or whatever account balance you purchase. Funny enough, this is my first day to your YouTube page, bro. Sheesh, I have a lot to catch up to. That's okay, bro. I mean, hey, listen, we're here. If you have questions along the way, you know, you can always hit me up. The GOAT was live and I ain't know it. What's going on, Eric? How you doing, brother? But yeah, man, that's the trading day. Again, it's not a big volume day. Really, not too much going on. Again, news is pretty light. And gold continues to sit here and do nothing for me. So that's always fun. Sky, quick question. Future system works the same in terms of analysis? Yeah, so the same way that you trade Forex or stocks or crypto, whatever your technical strategy is, and the concept of like entries and stop losses and take profits, that's all the same. You'll have to get a little bit used to, you know, what's considered contract sizing, which is the same thing as like lot sizing. You may be used to opening up like, you know, 0.01 lots or 0.10 lots. Contracts work a little bit different. They only work in whole numbers, so you can open up one contract, you could open up 2 contracts. You cannot open up half of a contract. So there's a few things that to get used to, bro, but it's very similar. It's like the learning curve shouldn't take more than maybe a couple of days at best. And actually, in fact, if you really feel like you need a refresher, and this is why I love TopStep. If you come to TopStep here and you go to our program, there's a tab called Forex to Futures, and I'll link this in the chat for you as well, bro. So you can save this or something. It would help if I even had my own YouTube stream open, so I can actually send this to you. One sec, I'll send this in the chat though. It's so funny. My own YouTube doesn't recommend my own channel. But this link will walk you through how to migrate over, which is pretty fantastic, honestly. So again, you know, it'll walk you through the terminology, you know, pips to ticks, pairs to products, lots to contracts, buy and sell, bid and ask, mini pair to micro pair. And again, it'll show you, you know, if you're used to trading US 30, then you're going to just trade the Dow Jones, right, which is YM, right? If you're used to trading gold, you're going to just trade, well, gold, but it'll be ticker GC. And then this will walk you through everything, man. It'll show you, again, the instrument, the description of it, the tick size, the tick value. You know, it's got some good stuff here. So, again, it's not hard. It's really just terminology changing and stuff like that. And again, there's that link right there in chat. Aiming gold off the 15-minute lone candle, and oil off this proof 30-minute engulfing, which isn't even an actual engulfing. I just didn't take a closer look at it. Yeah, let's take a look real quick. I do like to analyze better on TradingView still, even despise that top step X platform, just because it's what I'm used to. So let's talk about what you said, Eric, there real quick, because you said, you know, you're long gold from the 15-minute lone candle, and it's so funny you say this, because this is the same thing that Saint said while we were just on stream in the community. Which, by the way, Eric, I don't know if I got you into that or not, or if you even want to be in it. I mean, if you don't want to be, that's fine too. Each their own. But if you do, bro, just send me a DM. We'll get you set up. But I know you, Saint was also looking at this 15-minute lone candle. To be honest with you, I had my attention set to down here, which was like the 2-hour lone candle, or see, this is why the difference between futures and Forex are a little annoying sometimes. But I was looking below this lone candle here. I was actually short the market, which you guys may have seen on my story like this morning. I was actually short gold. But when we had pushed below these two wicks and between these internal lows, on the CFDs we actually created a 15-minute live OB. So right down here, beautiful. And this is why I got out of the sells and in the buys, was again the swipe of liquidity on the higher volume. Now the problem is this only lives on the CFDs. The futures don't have the higher volume. But what I was told the community, I was kind of expecting this to kind of play like this morning regardless. So when I had seen this, I had closed out on my sells and I just reversed my position to the buy side. And we've been holding ever since. Now the reason being I don't like this lone candle is, again, I kind of went over it a little bit on stream, but I like to play the extreme lone candle, and like the 2-hour was the better spot. So again, like I get it, it worked out on the 15-minute on a technical basis, but again, the better POI in my opinion was below here. But we did test right into this candle though, so we didn't wipe it, but we definitely played into it, which is right with the other 15 minutes. So again, like you're not wrong for looking at what you were looking at. I was just I was just looking at the 2-hour as the better one. I don't really consider this a 15-minute lone candle all that much, if that's the one you're talking about, but I don't know which other one you'd be talking about if it's not that one. Gotta get back work to yeah, no problem, Matt. Enjoy, brother. Let me know when that payout hits. Matt said I need to get into the community. No, you don't, Matt. Matt, you're in the community, brother. You should have been invited to today's call, no? Oh, you're not. I thought you were. Oh, you're in the okay, you're in like the okay, you're not in the trading. Okay, you're not in the trade room. Okay, fair enough. Gotcha. Remember, you guys were star students, so you guys, again, you know, you guys got the 50% off code. You know, use that whenever. Just wouldn't get paid. Oh yeah, no, you good. Again, you know, take your time, fam. But yeah, man, that's been pretty much the trading day. Very slow day. Again, I'm still looking at gold, especially on top step over here to continue up towards my TP. I would like to get out up here, maybe a little bit above this wick. That's kind of what I'm looking at for final exits here. I can get a push above here again. You know, I'm up $300 right now. I'm almost $400 on the open trades, but I've already closed 500 for the day. So we're looking at $800 to $900 day if I can make these exits, which is not bad for first day combine trading. Let's see, now I wanted the lower level you have marked up as well. I was telling Kyle that if it didn't close the 1-hour engulfing, I'd watch for a sweep of that level. but it didn't go lower. It closed the 1 hour and Goldfinch started moving, so I took the... Okay, yeah, fair enough. I mean, again, like the sweep that we had was pretty nice. Again, I don't know if you were on. I did a call yesterday on the DXY, but I was also looking at the DXY staying mostly range bound this week. So again, like the fact that and the dollar index kind of getting a little bit of a rally here right now. But I was expecting this to stay kind of mostly range bound this week. So again, when we popped above this structure and we were kind of playing around, this was already kind of moving down before gold started moving up. So I was okay with kind of just jumping into that as well. But beautiful trading nonetheless, if and only if it can continue for us. Which again, right now is she's trying her best. We'll just leave it at that. She's trying her best, you know? Again, NASDAQ doing nothing. Very boring trading day. Very, very, very boring trading day. Actually, let's go see what Top Step is talking about on their stream. Does this open up this? No. Let's see if I can let's see, add Top Step TV. Let's just put you here. Not gonna lie, I need this kind of thing. Like I need like a custom version of this, bro, where I could like, you know, put something besides Top Step TV. This is like super cool that they have the live stream right here, but like, I mean, I need this for a few other people too.
I think having the attention focused in Top Step X has been, I mean, the community, at least from what I can see in my own community, everybody seemed to really like the developments of Top Step X. It's been very, very stable.
Yeah, so they're talking about Top Step X. I'm a big fan of this little platform they got here. I can't lie to you. It's been working pretty well. Actually, let me show you guys some of the cool things about Top Step X. So two features I really bought this platform for instead of staying just trading on TradingView. One, that's the copy trading. Right, you can see I'm trading 2 accounts here. Right, they're both up $359. I can go to my follower account. Well, see, same trade, same TP, same everything. I love that. You can see this is a follower account. You can see this is my leader account. Love that. That's super easy to set up. There's like no delay, no lag. It's been fantastic. So that's one reason. So I can just sit here, trade the 50K accounts. I don't got to worry about managing one. Perfect. The other thing are their, excuse me, are their lockout features, right? I love these lockout features. So right up here, there's a button called manual lockout. If I were to click that right now, this locks me out of my trading account until the end of the day. So let's say gold, again, continues to rally, pushes up to my TP. You know, I'm up, you know, $1,300, $1,400 for the day. You know, I'm feeling good, feeling hot. I don't want to mess it up. I can lock myself out. I just click this, and from that point forward, I can't trade my account. And I can even take that a couple steps further by coming into the settings here and setting things like profit brackets, which will automatically basically close out my trade at a certain loss or gain. So this is like a set TP for the account, right? So it's like I could set my take profit on gold to be plus $1,200, but if I set my take profit here at 1,000, then it will automatically apply that risk to all my positions. So it's just like, if I know that I want to risk, you know, $250 per trade, I could just set that and it'll handle all the risk management for me. Now, I'm probably not going to use these features, to be real, or to use this one specifically, because I'd rather set all that stuff myself. I've been doing that for years. I'm fine doing that. But then there's this feature, which is cool, which is your personal daily loss limit or your personal daily profit target. So again, for people that just know that they don't want to risk more than $400 per day, you can do that, put this in here, and then you could set an action saying that if I hit that $400 loss, I want you just to liquidate me. Take me out. So even if you set your stop loss to $600, this is not going to care. This is going to see that $400 loss, it's going to liquidate you. And then even better than that, you could also set this to liquidate and block, meaning that if you hit your personal daily loss limit for the day, it will take you out of all your positions and it will lock the account so you can't take another position. And I think these features are just immensely valuable to new traders. Again, will I specifically use these? I don't know. we'll see. We'll see if I decide that I need them. But again, the personal daily profit target might be one that I set. Like, I might just set this at like 1,500 bucks. I make 1,500 bucks, take me out of my positions, block me from trading, and I just know that I'm guaranteed 1,500 bucks on that trading day. And again, this would apply if I set it here. It applies to all my accounts. So I just think these features are super cool, especially for newer traders, man. You know, for people that struggle with over trading, over leveraging, they can't stop. When they're feeling good, they're scalping just throughout the market. I think these are just great things to have, and it's stuff that I haven't necessarily seen on other platforms. That doesn't mean other platforms don't have them. They could, and I'm just unaware of it. But I really do like these. Again, the fact that I could just push a button and lock myself out on days that emotions might be running high, I think it's just like a godsend, really. Let's see what we got in chat here. I know this goes against your bias, but how do you feel about the 15-minute engulfing that Naz printed? I mean, I want it lower. I want Naz lower, so I don't mind by this. I actually had said, I don't know if I said it on here or if I said it in the community, because now I'm just like kind of like lost behind when I said things. But yeah, this live OB, I'm hoping this live OB does produce some stuff. So again, for people that do want to short NASDAQ and it's not necessarily a trade I'm interested in, especially with me already being in gold. But again, you could try something risky like this off that live OB and seeing if this holds. Again, I would question how much you're going to get out of this today. Market's moving pretty slow. It's possible that maybe this only moves to like down here, and then from here it just kind of pulls back up and ends the day kind of flat. That's a possibility. But I would like this to spill over and move back some. It's just not a trade I'm willing to put some money behind right now. And I don't necessarily need to put money behind it either, because again, I'm already up on the day. I have floating profits, like I'm pretty good. But if from a technical standpoint, bro, I wouldn't fault you for taking it. I wouldn't. Let's see. 10:03 in the building. What the hell is 10:03? I mean, I love to take trades a little bit after 10 o'clock. Is that what you're talking about? What the hell is 10:03? It's more like 10:07, family. 10:07 is when we is when we fade. You gotta give it that first 5 minutes, man. I don't know what 10:03 gang is, but shout out to the 10:03 gang. I don't know who you are, but shout out to y'all. Let's see. Jonathan Rubin. I mean, I just Kevin. Okay. Oh, that comes from. Oh, that's Abel. Oh, shout out to Abel. I don't know what 10:03 is though. Abel trolling. I don't even know what 10. I'm not even in on the joke. I don't even know what that means. What's 10? What's 10:03? Is that the bike gang? Is that the new bike gang? Oh boy, I gotta watch out. I gotta watch out for the upstate bike gang, the 10:03 bike gang. Nah, shout out that boy Abel though. I'm sure he's probably off stream right now, but I know he was on stream as well. So, shout out that man. When the market is most hot. Okay. Yeah, that 10 o'clock turnaround time. Okay. I don't like the 10:03. I'm more a 10:07 gang. I'm more a 10:07 gang. But I could fuck with the 10:03s. I can fuck with the 10:03s. Shout out to y'all though, man. Much love. Let's see. Yeah, this feature should be applied to all undisciplined traders in order. Yeah, I mean, again, that top step feature, man, is just amazing. I really do think that feature is amazing to just lock people out of their accounts. And again, that's something I struggle with, man. You guys know when I'm hot, when I'm on the money, when I'm trading good, I like to continue trading. So to have a feature that will just lock me out, I think will be something I actually use. Might just close my oil with this $80 loss. This thing's not doing shit. Yeah, oil again. I would let oil confirm a trade. I think she grabbed liquidity today. I don't think she's gonna do anything though. Could you still link your Top Step account to TradingView? No, that is a good question. You cannot. So these accounts that I'm on here, these two accounts are these are Top Step X accounts. I cannot link this to TradingView. So I have 3 accounts. I have these 2, which are combines, meaning these are like challenge accounts. That's Top Step's name for a challenge account. So I have these 2, which are both 50Ks that I started literally last night. And then I have my Express account over here on TradingView, which is a live funded account through Top Step. So I'll be trading on both. The TradingView one I'll be more aggressive on. I'll probably trade a little bit more aggressive. In the Top Step accounts, I will just manage like I normally would. Well, good question though. But yeah, once you go to the Top Step X platform, that's it. You can't double dip into the platforms. Let's see what you guys got in chat here. I called a sell trade at 10:03 a.m. Eastern sometime last week, and that is our... Oh, okay. Got you. All right. I mess with it. I like it. I do. I mean, listen, I'm a big fan for markets turning around after 10 o'clock. Between that, like, 10 o'clock and, like, 10:15 is a good time on the NASDAQ. I'll catch you with you later, Sky. I gotta do some coding. Yeah, bro, go enjoy. I'm about to actually hop off this myself in a little bit. I bought a Top Step X account today, $19. Yeah, dude, you can't go wrong, Omar. I mean, bro, for 20 bucks, $19, bro. I don't even think I paid any taxes on these accounts now that I think about it. So not for 19 bucks, dude, you can't go wrong for a 150K account. That means you're all in at like 150 bucks, 170 bucks, because it's gonna cost you 149 to activate it. Again, I activated my Express account yesterday. I paid for it yesterday. They got me the credentials this morning, so they're pretty quick with it, man. My boy Mark got a payout from Top Step last week. I think he got the money like a day or 2 after processing it. So I mean, for the 19 bucks, man, you can't go wrong. This app is pretty smooth. Again, I can come in here, I can customize this, I could throw like the Dom in here, right? So I could take this, I could throw I could throw a Dom in here. Pretty customizable. Again, not a useful tool for me. You're watching me and Abel at the same time? Oh, Abel's still alive? Oh, shout out to him. I don't know what his precise streaming hours are. I know I get a notification around 8:30, something like that. I think he goes live. Which is a pretty good time to go live. I go live in the community about 8:15, and then I get on here at around 10. So but yeah, man, slow markets, not much going on. This gold probably gonna break me even if I had to bet on it. So probably gonna end my day with 500 bucks on both combine accounts, which is not bad because that means I can still pass it in 2 more days if I can average about 1250 per day. So if we get some more volatility, I can maybe pass these in 3 days again as well, like I did my first challenge here, 3 days complete. 100% winning days, made 1,300, 684, and 1,000, so pretty good. 78% winning trades, average loss 170 bucks, not bad at all. Really only took 1 loss for like 300, and then there was like an $8 loss because of fees on a break even. Average winning trade 494, again, not terrible. 1 to 2.9 risk to reward ratio, it's pretty good. So trading at a 1 to 3, pretty average stats. Winning trade percentage a little high for me, 78. I mean, if I didn't take that 1 loss, it probably would have been like 80, 88, 90% win rate. So it's definitely on the money. Let's see what Top Step's talking about.
So I wouldn't be too surprised if we could rally up and break above $78 a barrel again. And maybe find some buyers.
Oil, huh? They're trading oil.
And over here on the right hand side, we do have a smaller time frame, but that's what I'm looking at. if we could break above, maybe we could start running up into the 78s. Low probability, high risk reward. That meaning I could have a much tighter.
Yeah, so he's saying the same thing I was saying this morning. Oil isn't an interesting spot to try to maybe long. Again, I don't agree with it though, because there's no demand coming into these levels. Like it could, again, again, they're just playing the idea that it's below these lows. If it can get back above, then you can buy. But again, there's no signals here. A lot of bullish volume came in. We couldn't even close up. Like, I don't know, man. I think they're playing with fire, trying to go long oil. I look at this on the daily, and I just like, again, you're fighting a lot of momentum for no reason. Well, best of luck to them on Top Step TV. Again, I don't disagree that if it does get up, you might be able to get a bounce. Alright, Pam. Anything you guys want me to analyze? Anything you guys want me to take a look at? Throw a pair in the chat. Ask a question. If not, I think I'm going to wrap up my day there. A little bit of a recap of today. Again, I'm only really looking to trade gold long. Or I am trading gold long, I should say. We'll see if we can get this into the end of the day. Again, looking to pull maybe another 800 bucks. I don't mind if these break even. We're already up 500. I don't think it's worth me trying to, you know, creep the stop up. It's either going to break me even or it'll continue at the end of the day. But yeah, that was my my one position on this slow ass Tuesday. It is Tuesday, right? Yeah, it's Tuesday. Okay. On this slow Tuesday morning here. Take a quick look at Twitter, see if there's anything new here. Gary Gensler says that crypto is an outsized piece of the scams, frauds, and problems. Shut up, Gary. If Bitcoin is a scam, it's my favorite scam in the world. It's the best scam I've ever been a part of. Truly. Bitcoin has scammed me into multiple six figures. Oh man. Oh geez. Imagine my trauma. imagine my trauma of having a six-figure portfolio. I got so scammed. These last like 6-7 years, man. Oh fuck. How will I ever financially recover from all the money that it's made me? There's really nothing going on in the markets, bro. So much so that I'm getting a bunch of nonsense here. What are the people that I actually follow? Let's see, another top CFD firm with their own tech with a track record of paying out millions a month now announces their financial struggles. What was this? Another prop firm failing? Justin Silver trading ES. Good for you, brother. Naked charts will always be charts full of trading indicators. True, as long as you have volume. As long as you have volume. Volume is the only thing you should have on your chart. Right? It's what my charts have, right? Naked charts with just volume, baby. Let's go. It's the way we work. Andrew Tate. Andrew Tate. Top step video. Yeah, man, really nothing going on. Really, like, there's just in Saudi Aramco paid $31 billion dividend to the Saudi government. Jesus Christ. $31 billion dividend to the Saudi government. As if they need that. Wow. Shit, bro. You trying to send some money my way, man? $31 billion in dividends? Oh my. Oh my. I'll take $1 billion off your hand, no problem. Mr. B. Kevin was live too. Stock market open live and crypto. What is crypto doing? Let's take a look real quick. take a look at some crypto before we get off real quick. What is, I don't know what is Bitcoin doing today? What is baby girl doing today? Where are you at? 63.8? Okay. God, you're so beautiful, Israel. Yeah, man. Look at this. Look how beautiful she is. Look how beautiful she is. Bold prediction? Not even that bold of a prediction, but we're hitting 80k within 3 weeks. Let's keep that in mind. We're gonna hit 80k within 3 weeks. I'm not telling you to buy it, not telling you to sell it, not telling you to do anything. If you want, you can send some to my wallet. I'll hold on to it for you. That's the only thing I can recommend. I'd be more than happy to throw y'all a Bitcoin address. Y'all can, yeah, I'll hold it for you if you don't want to hold it. But I'm telling you, this probably gonna push like 80k. Definitely, definitely by like first week of June, I think. This monthly candle probably gonna engulf. I'm telling y'all. And if I'm publicly wrong about that, so be it. That's cool. I'm fine with that. Let's see what we got in chat real quick. Let's see. Yes, guy. Screw Gary. Oh my, my homies hate Gary. Yeah. Oh my homies hate Gary too. What a wild comment, Eric. I'm not even gonna read that one out loud. What a what a wild comment though. Alright fam, listen, I'm gonna wrap up my day there. Go doing nothing. Best case scenario, again, on my Top Step accounts, I'm able to pull a little bit of extra profit. Maybe we get that extra 800. Maybe we just get out above 20, 23, 32. That being said, I will see you all tomorrow. If you guys are in the trading community, I'll see you guys at 8:15. If you guys are gonna chill out, rock with me here on YouTube, post open, then I will see you guys at about 10 a.m. That being said, family, it's your boy Skag. I'm gonna go enjoy my day, get some coffee. I advise y'all do the same. Much love.